Welcome to Safety Products. Today we're looking at the raised pull cord device. This device is designed to enable the operation of a pull cord safety system where the conveyor or machine to be stopped is installed more than 1.5 metres above the floor level. The system incorporates trip and reset valves that are fully adjustable to whatever height is required, allowing both the emergency stop activation and the reset functions to be carried out from the ground level. This eliminates the needs for ladders, platforms or other lifting equipment, improving safety and the ease of operation during emergency and routine use. Looking from underneath the device, you can see easily the reflective colours stating if the device is tripped or reset. Thank you for watching.